Hi guys, it's Hani here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable snowman with a plaid sweater. This video is also part of a collaboration with my friends Marlene of Montreal Confections and Amber of SweetAmbs. We all had to create a snowman using a drawing that you see on the screen, and you can find their tutorials on their channels. Links are in the description box under the video. I started by cutting out a template using a cardstock, and I used this template to cut out my cookies. Then I used the same template and I cut out lines with an exacto knife. This is my decorating template, and I used it to trace the outlines on a cookie with edible marker. And today I'm using sugar cookies and royal icing to decorate. Both of these recipes can be found on my YouTube channel, and printable versions are listed on my blog, hanielas.com. All the links are in the description box under the video. I'm starting by brushing black royal icing on the mouth area, and we're going to let this dry, which will take maybe about 20-30 minutes or so. So while that's drying, we can start working on the sweater. I'm using white royal icing, 15-second consistency to make the sweater. And we're going to create plaid design using wet on wet technique. What this means that you're gonna pipe lines across white royal icing while the white royal icing is wet. So I'm using teal and red, and both of my colors are about 15-second consistency. This way icing is going to sink nicely into that base white layer, creating seamless layer of icing. Now we can start working on the head. I'm using teal royal icing, and again I'm going to be using wet on wet, making polka dot pattern. So while teal is wet, take white royal icing and pipe small polka dots into the icing. Now with a scribe tool, you can see I'm scratching the black royal icing, leaving a clear outline for the mouth. And I'm going to use white royal icing outline first and then flat the head. To create eyes, I'm again going to use wet on wet technique. I'm going to be using black royal icing and white royal icing for the reflection. So we're going to start by piping the black. This is like an oval shape eye. And you want to use icing that is about 15, it can be 20-second consistency, that should be fine. It shouldn't be thicker than that because then it's not going to sink nicely into the wet white icing underneath. Use a scribe tool to place tiny little dots onto the black icing. Now we can make the feet. Let the feet crust before you add this bottom layer of royal icing. This way you will have a nice definition between the body and the feet. Otherwise, if you piped everything all together, or right after you flood the feet, icing would blend together and there will be no definition. Make sure that the teal part of the head and the head of the snowman are both dry, or at least well crusted, because we're going to be adding some sprinkles on this section and I don't want sprinkles to be sticking to the head or anywhere else, so these should be fairly dry. Now I'm drawing the arms with edible marker on dry royal icing here, so I know where to start piping. But before we do the arms, I'm going to make zigzag line across. Notice that my icing is not as fluid as the one we used for the plaid. Make sure that you use icing that is piping consistency. It's just icing that is slightly thicker than your flood, so it's keeping its shape, and I'm going in a tight zigzag line. Here I'm piping zigzag line on the arms and I'm letting these crust. These are basically supports, so we don't have any cave-ins or craters in our royal icing. So this zigzag line I piped underneath is going to keep icing from sinking in. And now we can go ahead and create the plaid pattern on the arms. I'm doing one arm at a time. This way my base icing is not going to crust and lines will sink nicely into the white base. And you want to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now we can start working on the scarf. I'm going to create scarf in sections, letting each section crust before adding section next to it. Allow arms to crust before piping a line across. Now with red royal icing you can finish the hat. I'm just adding short straight lines. If your icing is a bit runnier, you want to make sure that you let each layer of icing crust before adding another layer. I nearly forgot my snowman was missing a nose. Use orange royal icing piping consistency to make the nose. And before you pipe the lines across the scarf, make sure that the royal icing is crusted over. And that's how you can make this adorable snowman wearing a plaid sweater. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you have suggestions for future cookie decorating tutorials, let me know as well. Don't forget to visit my friends over at Montreal Confections and SweetAmbs and check out their tutorials on how they decorated this snowman cookie. Links are in the description box under the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.